What up, gang? Let's talk about it. 5 reasons you should never make music while you're high. Let's get it. Okay, number 1, let's get right into it. I'm Rob Level, by the way, in case you didn't know. Number 1, let's get right into it. Everything sounds too good.
Let's keep it real, man.
You're gonna think even your worst music is amazing if you are high, because you will vibe with almost anything when you are high.
Yeah,
and tell me you haven't experienced this before if you've done it. Don't lie. I done it. You know better. I know better. We know better. That's what I'm telling you. Because the thing is, if you're going through beats, almost every beat's gonna sound good, even if it's not the right beat for you. And the beat's a very important part of that. Your vocal might not even fit on it, but you're like, I can do this. Like, nah. Number 2, it'll slow down everything else in your day-to-day life. No matter who you are. You know, and if you don't think so, you're lying. So you know weed will slow you down and make you groggy and give you a foggier mind later. I don't care who you are. Sometimes it lasts for a few days after you smoke. Sometimes it's just quick. Sometimes it just gives you a lazy feeling and makes you just want to chill and eat after primary high has passed. You're like, I mean, I don't even feel like doing it. I'm gonna go eat. And of course, you can still utilize the initial high to create and feel more creative, but you have to think about how it will take away from the rest of what you are doing. Would you rather have 2 super hours of intensified creativity making music, you know, or learn how to have 12 hours of super intensified creativity by learning how to mentally balance yourself, eat, and take the things that are going to change your mind and your body to give you that feeling? Now that one sounds like a lot of work, but being great takes work. I'm gonna get into the motivational stuff. You already know the deal. Think about that though. 12 hours, 2 hours, maybe even 4 hours. You're still 3x in the time, and it's focused, sober, right decision making. And you're learning faster because you retain the information better when you're sober.
Come on.
So many reasons. Reason number 3, you don't want to be doing this.
Here we go again.
Is that you're going to grow dependent upon it. The ability to escape into a world with no anxiety and increased senses is a really great feeling. I mean,
yes,
it's so good. Just want to... No. Anyway, don't do drugs. Okay, the problem is that if you start creating music while high, you will eventually think that you are incapable of creating music sober. And that leads to a ton of issues.
Ew.
One of which is that you will always use not having it as an excuse to not create. You need to train yourself to be able to create music no matter what state you're in, even if you're tired, okay? Like, you need to learn how to instantly jump into a creative space. Then, really though, you become unstoppable. Number 4, potential legal issues. I'm just gonna throw this out. It depends. Y'all know you live in California, whatever state you live in. If you don't live in a state where you can legally smoke, you know that you can get in trouble for having it, smoking it. I mean, obviously, it's not really as illegal as it used to be. I just want to put this in here because for some people, this does apply. I mean, in some countries, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Right? You know, another thing too is that, like, you don't nearly look as cool as you used to 10 years ago smoking weed because it was like outlawish to do. You know, I see bums on the street smoking weed now. Today, it seems like everybody's smoking weed. I mean, I live in California, so they are. You look like a bum level criminal smoking weed, right? If like you're trying to act like that, that's what makes you cool. Now, I actually see bums smoking weed, which kind of says something.
Oh God.
Really quick, if you can hit that subscribe button for me, I really appreciate it. Growing this channel allows me to help more artists like you and me so that we can keep getting further faster together. That's it. Let's get back to the video. Number 5, I'll tell you right now, this is for me right here. I know it's probably for you. This reason you shouldn't be smoking weed. You're gonna eat unhealthy and you're gonna get fat. Keep the Pop-Tarts and Hot Pockets away from me. How you feel tomorrow depends on the fuel that you're putting into your body today, all right? So when you're high and you eat anything and everything that's sweet and salty that satisfies your munchies, this leads to your blood sugar levels rising. And you become tired and you become less creative. Then the next day, you also had pure fuel in your body, right? So you miss out on a lot of potential music you could be creating. Do you see that chain reaction that never lets up until you start treating yourself better?
No.
I never even thought about it like that. That's how it works. The food you put in your body is the fuel. That's what you are made up of. That. If you eat a bunch of junk, why you look like junk? People eat really healthy and they look good. Girls eat salads. Hot girls are like, what you eat? Salad. Like, that's why you look so good. Like, she loves salad. It's good for you. She made up a salad. I can see a bunch of little reels made for this whole video and shit. Salad. I'm stupid. Anyway, if you're going to smoke, make sure that you only keep good foods in your house and avoid any snacks.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Trust me. Look, if I am high, I eat an entire box of granola bars and just justify it by saying I need it for my muscles because I work out. Does it really need a whole 12 pack of granola?
No.
But there's protein in the granola bars, so. But think about it. I'm not saying eat salad, but you gotta put something good. Keep the good foods in your house if you're going to, so that you know that you're being fueled right. And tomorrow you're gonna have the energy to do it. Lastly, on this note, how much food in your house you're gonna eat when you have munchies? How much money are you wasting eating all your goodies that you could have enjoyed over the course of a week or two that you ate all in one night? I'm like having flashbacks. Flashback. No! Damn it. Then you go to get the damn ice cream and it's like, oh yeah, I ate that. Damn, I really wanted that. Okay, anyway. Number 5, as I wipe the tears from my eyes, it's a huge waste of money, which makes me cry. Anyway, because you don't want to waste money, you can spend on your music, you know? But as a music artist on the come up, you can use every single dollar that you have towards building your career. And I'd assume if you smoke weed regularly, which I know a lot of people do, you spend $300 to $500 a month on weed. That's a high-end microphone after 2 months and a fantastic preamp and interface after only a month. That's promotional dollars for your next single or an investment into your artist image, your clothing, and your brand. That alone. Higher creativity, better music, better hardwiring, not eating, not getting fat. Like, how many reasons are there here that I had to convince you and understand how powerful it is to just stop? Remember, I got a video on when you should smoke weed to work on music, okay? There's times. It'll be super insightful and help you realize the power of weed, and when I do recommend smoking it, only if you are already someone who smokes weed. I do not condone someone who doesn't smoke weed starting to smoke weed ever. Stick where you're at with it, okay? I'll put the link below this video for that. It's time for Word of the Day, bitch.
Hi guys, my name is Ray, and today's word of the day is nuance, a subtle difference in meaning.
So it's a nuance. You've heard it. You know what I mean. It's
I know.
an example. All right, y'all. There it is. Don't do drugs. All right, peace out. Click the link below. Check out the music industry shortcut. Just change everything. Change the pricing. I'm gonna give you something for free just for checking out the 12 levels of the music industry blueprint. You can have that to help show you wherever you're at now to where you want to be. 100% free. And after you get it, tell me where to send it. It'll bring you right over to check out the music industry shortcut. I hope to see you in there. All right. There's over 150 masterclasses in the music industry shortcut. We're gonna go ahead and put on the screen the types of things that you learn in the music industry shortcut. Click those links below. Hit me with a subscribe. You want to comment? You want to talk some about, man, I gotta smoke because my mama smoked and she got glaucoma. Put the comments below this video. I'm Rob Level. Check out my new single. I'm bodying it out here. Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top. I'll see you at the top. I'll see you at the top.
Chop it, break it down and flip it all day.